So guys, in today's Django video, in the Django admin video, I'm telling you about what are Django admin. I'm telling you about the set fields to display. What is that? How to set the fields into the display. I'm telling you about that. So please hit a like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future latest videos. And see the videos start to end. So if you do not see the videos start to end, there are problems in your code. And one more benefit is if you see the video start to end, you gain many much more knowledge about it. So that's why I'm telling you see this video start to end. But I didn't waste your time. Let's move to the computer screen and lesson about what are in the Django admin, how to set the fields to display. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Django admin video, I'm telling about how to set the fields to display. So let's learn about it. To make the list display or more readable, reader and friendly, when you display a model as a list, if you display a model as a list, Django displays each record as the string representation of the record object, which in our case is member object 1, member object 2, or etc. Like this type of example, I have shown you in our previous video also. To change this to more reader friendly format, we have two choices. First is change the string representation function str of the member model. Number 2, set the list details property of the member model. Then I have two choices I have already released. So let's see about how to change the string representation function. To change the string representation, we have to define str function of the member model in the members.py like this, like that. So here you can see it. What you can do, you copy this code and paste this code in your models.py file. Where's our models.py file? Yeah, here it is. Let me paste this code here. Now, which is give us result like that. Here you can see like Stacklin reference, Linny reference, and Linus reference, and Tobias reference, and email reference. Defining our own str function is not a Django feature. It is how to change the string representation of objects in Python. Read more about Python object in our Python object tutorial. Set list display. We can control the fields to display by specifying them in a list display property in the admin.py file. Like that. Here you can see like in the previous video. First create a member admin class and specify the list display tuple like this. Like in the previous class, we make one file about the admin.py, like you know, if you see my previous video. So in that file, you paste this code here like that. Then remember to add the member admin as argument in the admin.site.register in the parentheses member comma member admin. Now go back to the browser and you'll get this result if you are on your Visual Studio Code. So you'll get this type of result like first name is Stacklin, last name reference, Lenny first name last name reference. Why this type of thing is coming? Because I updated my admin.py file, that's why this type of output has been coming. So here you can see it. In today's video of Django, I told you about what are Django in the Django admin, what are set fields to display. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future latest videos. So now I'm enjoying next class and next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.